Hey guys, I'm Avail back again with another video. This time it is about one feature that I have found on this Gcam. I'm using this Pixel 4a and this feature is called, let me show you this. If you go to video mode and there you will have this here, Cenematic Pan, and this one is really interesting because the stabilization is crazy if you use this feature. Yes, obviously if it is cinematic then you will have half speed and muted video. So it is really good for those who like to actually do voiceover, or you want to mix music and have a really good cinematic video. Okay, so this feature is going to help you guys if you want to have this kind of video recording. So I'm going to leave you guys with some samples that I have recorded using this Cenematic Pan, and this is really good. Let me know after watching these samples, and if you've already tried it on this Pixel 4a, let me know in the comments. Okay, so here are the samples, and don't forget to subscribe to watch more videos on this Pixel 4a and other stock Android devices. So till the next video guys, cheers, here are the samples.